What's up guys, welcome back. So real quick, I haven't done any how-tos in quite a long time. So today we're going to do bottom brackets, where we're going to show how to install a sealed bottom bracket or a Euro style bottom bracket into an American bottom bracket shell. Stay tuned, we're going to get on that right now. Alright, to show you the parts you're going to need are these right here. These are the American, this is an American bottom bracket, meaning that it's a big fat bottom bracket like this here. So what you're gonna need in order to run sealed style bottom crank set, you're gonna need a way to screw these in. So what this does is you take these adapters here, they're gonna slide in here. You're gonna run these screws down in there. I'm not gonna do it right now, but you're gonna wanna put some Loctite on the end of these if you're deciding to keep that in there permanently. You also wanna make sure that the bolt side is on the out of the crank, not on the chain side. That's where these need to be. I'm gonna tighten these down real quick.
Hey guys, I am so sorry for the interruption, but if you could you click that subscribe button for me? Also, turn on your bell notifications. That way you catch all the content as I post it. And if you want to check out anything early, head over to my Instagram. I post things there probably quicker than you're gonna see them here. Thanks guys.
Alright, so that's just the first part. And I do plan on carrying these here on my website. So if you guys are looking for them, I'm going to link them in the Amazon description, and some of the stuff here that you need, I'll put it down in the link below. But some of this I'm going to have on the site here. I don't know if I'll have them on the site by the time this video comes out. Anyway, alright, what is left? Now we've got our bottom bracket, or our actual cartridge. This is a wider one, and the reason you're going to want to run a wider one like this is if you're going to be running a 26x4 rear end. You don't necessarily need to do this on a 26x3 rear end, but with a Nexus, this helps. It's gonna pull it out just a little bit more. This is 127.5. The next one's gonna be 122. So we're gonna stick this in here. You're going to stick it in from the crank side. That's in there. This is the tool that you're gonna need, and I don't know if you can see the numbers, but I'll link this tool. You're gonna need it because that's how you tighten it. And right now I'm just hand tightening it, but it's basically a socket, so it is made to tighten that down. So there's that piece, and then this is the other piece. This is also a threaded insert. This goes in that way, also clockwise. I'm sorry, thought I was counter. And then again, you need this tool. It's got the little teeth on there, and then those little teeth are gonna tighten that down. And like I said, it is made for a ratchet, so you can ratchet that down. That is done. It also gonna come with your bolts here. That's gonna hold the crank on. We'll go grab a crank and toss it on. All right, so to run a 3-piece crank, this right here is your simple 3-piece crank. These are probably some of the easiest ones to purchase. And you're gonna see here, so it needs to go on, like so. This bolt is gonna go in there, hold that in, super simple. Other side, you want it to be opposite, of course, same, bolt holds it in. And now you got a 3-piece crank setup. You guys can do this on any bike, so any beach cruiser that you might have, if it has an American bottom bracket and you want to do a 3-piece crank, this is one way to do it. They also have the other type of bearings, cups set up that you can also do if you have another. There's all kinds of different styles of 3-piece cranks, but I use these quite a lot. I like them, but you can see how much wider this is going to bring your chain line out. So if you have a chain line issue with running a Nexus or running a bigger back wheel, running a 26x4, you can't have the chain going this way. You need to bring it back. So that's what that's going to do. It's going to bring the chain line so that it goes all the way to the back, and it gives you that room between the wheel and the actual back cog. Hopefully this will help somebody. Like I said, I haven't done any how-tos in a while. I know this was a super short video. There you go. If you got any questions, comment below. Make sure you check out the website, because I will have some of these things in stock eventually. All right guys, see you soon.